Hey guys, I'm Ashish from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about some 7 cool Instagram tips and tricks for you all to follow in 2020. Yes, these Instagram tricks will help you a lot in managing your profile, making it one of the best out there by some font tricks, some video tricks. So, well, what are we waiting for? Let's find out what they are in this video. Well, my name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. Okay, so the very first trick here is quite simple. We've all seen those fancy profiles that have very unique sort of font in their bio, which really makes it all stand out. You know? Well, it turns out it's quite simple to do that. So in order to get that done, just open up your mobile browser and head over to igfonts.io. Well, the links will be in the description, so don't worry. And once you've done that, it will generate a new custom font for you. Now, all you need to do is copy that and paste it on your Instagram's bio, and voila, you're all done. Now, moving on, I am pretty sure that you all must be familiar with the feature of saving a photo. But you know what? You can create collections of these photos for your own personal use. Now, to do that, just tap on your profile and head to the saved section. Here, tap on the add icon, that is the plus sign, and you can now select photos from the saved section and add them here while giving a different name and a custom cover too. Now, it's a pretty cool feature to help you keep your Instagram bookmarks organized if you pretty much are into different, like say for example you are into gardening. If you're into house decor, you can actually give different collections and then save them in different categories. Pretty useful if you are into bookmarking almost all the photos out there. Now, while we are on the topic of organizing, how about organizing your profile as well? As it turns out, you can remove old photos from your profile without actually deleting them. Just tap on the post you want to hide and then tap on the option that says archive. Now, instead of being deleted, it will be hidden inside the archive section only for you to see. To restore it, however, head over to your profile and enter the archive section. Now, just tap on the post and select the show on profile option here. Now, it comes in quite handy if you are, let's say, changing your profile type, or if you want to just archive some of the previous posts that is not related to something that you are currently doing on Instagram without deleting them. Now, another thing that you would like to hide is your activity status. Yes, the last seen thing that actually ruins almost every social media network. Well, it turns out that you can hide them on your Instagram profile. To do that, just head over to settings inside your profile and scroll all the way down to activity status. Now just toggle it off and you're done. As always, if you have the settings off, you won't be able to see anyone else's status either. It's like give and take kind of relationship here, right? Now, if you're someone like me who has completely moved on from Snapchat to Instagram, you must be wondering where are those features like disappearing messages. Well, it turns out that you have them on Instagram as well. Now, to send such disappearing messages, open up the chat or the contact you want to send the message to and then tap on the camera icon. Now, click a photo, boomerang, or even write a text in create mode and then send it to them. Once the other party has seen your message, it will be automatically deleted. Yes, just like that. Now, the next trick is about tagging. And no, I'm not talking about you tagging someone, but how about removing the tags on all the photos that you have been tagged on for no goddamn good reason? So, well, to do that, just open up the post where you want to untag yourself and then tap on the 3-dot icon. Here, tap on remove me from the post and you're done. Alternatively, if you want to be a little polite, you can just choose to select hide from my profile, and in this case, the tag will remain there, but the post won't show up in the photos of you section. Okay, so lastly, here's a trick about video recording on Instagram. And well, there are 2 tricks here. The first one is to go to the hands-free mode. Yes, in this mode, even if you don't press and hold the shutter button, the video will continue to record, and in such way you can record longer videos and then use them in different stories, like one after the other. And also, here's a quick tip, like if you want, you can switch the camera in between the recording, you just need to double tap on the screen and it will flip the camera. If you are in the selfie mode, the real camera will open up and vice versa. And these two tips will help you a lot while recording videos directly from your Instagram profile. So well, that's about it for this video, but all these tricks are just the tip of the iceberg. We have done many dedicated Instagram videos and all the links will be provided in the description of this video. Also, if you haven't followed us on Instagram, please do so for some cool photos and videos around the technology world. And I will also provide to our Instagram page's link in the description. So please make sure that you follow us there. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right now. So well, that's all for this video and I hope to see you in our next one. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.